Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix common issues where your mouse wheel scrolls too slowly or does not scroll properly. And now, let's get started. First, click on the search icon on your taskbar and type Control Panel. From the search results, open the Control Panel application. If your window appears different or only displays categories, navigate to the top right corner, click on View By, and select Large Icons. This will present all the settings in a clear list. Next, locate and click on the mouse option. A new window will appear, featuring several tabs like Buttons, Pointers, Pointer Options, and Wheel. Click on the Wheel tab. You will see two sections, one for vertical scrolling and another for horizontal scrolling. Typically, the value is set to 2 or 3, which is suitable for most systems. However, if your mouse scroll feels sluggish or unresponsive, try increasing the scroll value by 1 and test it to see if performance improves. Once you discover the setting that functions best for you, you can retain it. In this demonstration, the vertical scrolling has been set to 3 and the horizontal scrolling to 4. After making your adjustments, click on Apply and then OK. Finally, proceed to restart your computer. Your mouse wheel scrolling should now be functioning smoothly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.